This top 10 countdown celebrates a diverse range of individuals who have profoundly impacted the world in various fields. From groundbreaking scientific discoveries to monumental societal changes, these figures represent the pinnacle of human achievement and innovation. Their contributions have not only shaped their respective eras, but continue to influence and inspire our world today. Be sure to stay for our number 1 most influential person in history near the end of this short video. Number 10. Steve Jobs, 1955-2011. Steve Jobs was more than just the co-founder of Apple. He was a visionary who transformed the technology industry. He played a pivotal role in popularizing personal computers and revolutionized mobile communication with the iPhone. Jobs' legacy extends beyond technology, influencing design, music distribution, and even animated filmmaking. Number 9. Martin Luther King Jr., 1929-1968. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a central figure in the American Civil Rights Movement, known for his nonviolent approach and eloquent oratory. His leadership in the Montgomery bus boycott and the 1963 March on Washington, where he delivered his famous "I Have a Dream" speech, were pivotal in advancing civil rights. King's efforts culminated in significant legislative changes, and he remains a symbol of the fight against racial injustice. Number 8. Nelson Mandela, 1918-2013. Nelson Mandela was a defining figure in the fight against apartheid in South Africa. Spending 27 years in prison for his activism, he emerged not with bitterness, but with a message of reconciliation. As South Africa's first black president, Mandela's leadership and commitment to democracy and human rights laid the groundwork for a transformed South Africa. Number 7. Winston Churchill, 1874-1965. Sir Winston Churchill, the British Prime Minister during much of World War II, was renowned for his leadership and stirring speeches that bolstered British morale during difficult times. His strategic foresight and unyielding dedication to victory were crucial in the Allies' success. Post-war, Churchill also played a significant role in advocating for European unity. Number 6. Mohandas Gandhi, 1869-1948. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi, was the leader of the Indian independence movement against British colonial rule, advocating for non-violent civil disobedience. His philosophy of satyagraha, truth and firmness, influenced global civil rights movements. Gandhi's commitment to non-violence and his simple lifestyle made him a global icon of peace. Number 5. Marie Curie, 1867-1934. A pioneer in the field of radioactivity, Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and remains the only person to win in 2 different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. Her discovery of radium and polonium and her work on the theory of radioactivity significantly advanced scientific understanding and medical research. Curie's relentless dedication to science paved the way for women in a male-dominated field. Number 4. Galileo Galilei, 1564-1642. Galileo's contributions to observational astronomy, including the improvements he made to the telescope, revolutionized our understanding of the universe. His support for heliocentrism was controversial during his time, leading to clashes with the Catholic Church. Galileo is often called the father of modern science for his pioneering approaches to experimentation and inquiry. Number 3. Leonardo Da Vinci, 1452-1519. Leonardo da Vinci was the epitome of a Renaissance man, excelling as an artist, inventor, engineer, and scientist. His artistic masterpieces, like the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, are globally renowned for their technique and depth. Leonardo's countless notebooks reveal a mind deeply curious about anatomy, flight, and mechanics, centuries ahead of his time. Number 2. Albert Einstein, 1879-1955. Albert Einstein's name has become synonymous with genius. His theory of relativity fundamentally altered our understanding of space and time, and his famous equation EO-mc2 laid the groundwork for the development of atomic energy. Einstein's work had not only scientific but also philosophical implications, challenging how we perceive the universe. And the number one most influential person in history is Sir Isaac Newton, 1643–1727. Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation were revolutionary, forming the basis of classical mechanics. His work in mathematics, particularly the development of calculus, was equally groundbreaking. Newton's influence extends through centuries, shaping our understanding of the physical world. The stories of these 10 individuals are testaments to human creativity, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. They each overcame significant challenges and, in doing so, changed the course of history. Their legacies continue to inspire and challenge us to think bigger, reach further, and strive for a better world.